In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Wix site private. Whether you're still working on your content or simply not ready to share your creation with the world, today's guide will help ensure your site stays under wraps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. To do this, navigate to the Wix website and click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to your site's dashboard. This is your control center, where you can access all the tools necessary to manage your website's settings. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option that says Design Site. It should be prominently displayed on your dashboard menu. Clicking this button will take you to your Wix website editor. This is where you'll find all the creative tools you need to customize your site's design and layout. Now that you're in the website editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't done so before. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Publish. This button is used when you're ready to make your website available to the public. However, for now, we want to keep it private. Hover your mouse over the Publish button. When you do this, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears, offering you a few different options. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Unpublish. Go ahead and click on Unpublish. By doing this, your website will no longer be visible to the public, and you can continue to work on it privately. This is the simplest and most effective way to keep your site hidden from visitors while you're still editing content or perfecting your design. Now, a quick note. Even though your site is unpublished and hidden from the public, you can still preview how it looks in the editor. This can be done by selecting the Preview option in your site editor, allowing you to view your website just as your visitors would see it once it's live. If you want to share your unpublished site with someone, you can always provide them access through a shared preview link. It allows them to see your site's design without it being publicly accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully kept your Wix site private,